In this video, we'll show you how to add live match score of any sport on your Samsung Galaxy phone's lock screen. So to do this, you'll first need to open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Now scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. In this menu, you'll need to tap on now bar option. Here you should see sports from Google. Simply tap on it. Now make sure this option is enabled. Additionally, you'll also need to enable personalized search and web and app activity for your Google account. If you haven't enabled them, simply tap here to enable them one by one. Next, you need to tap on this settings option here. In this menu, you will see several different sports like cricket, basketball and all the others. Simply tap on the league to expand it. You can follow the league from here or follow a specific team. Once you have done that, simply tap on finish. Now anytime your favorite team is playing, you should see their game's score live on the lock screen. You can tap on it to expand the score. You will also see the live game score in the notifications panel. You can tap on it to open the full score in the Google app. Note that this will only work when the game is actually happening live. So this will not work after the game has ended or before the game has started. So make sure to keep this in mind. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.